there, this is Elisa with WTI. I found this genuine leather MacBook bag with a handle for my husband that he has been loving. This is not like a typical leather bag. This is very unique. This has a very sleek design. You're going to notice that the main compartment provides generous space, complemented by this zipper pocket for practical storage like your wallet or your phone. This is the perfect blend to have style, but at the same time be organized. This premium leather bag, it's made with genuine crazy horse leather, which means that it's very durable. It has this vintage look and it's carefully crafted for this sophisticated finish. This is beautiful. You're going to notice the quality. I love how it's soft in the inside so it won't scratch your device. And this is perfect for an iPad Pro or a MacBook. This genuine leather MacBook bag has a sleek design. It's made with premium leather. It's very efficient when organizing and it provides protection. My husband has been loving it and we know you will too. And that's my point of view.